Hello guys. Pakita ko lang po sa inyo. Napaka-foggy po dito ngayon. Kapal ng fogs. Ayan po. Sobrang lamig. I think next week mag-snow na naman ulit kasi wala na yung snow. Melt na yung snow. Look. Yeah. Hi. Oh, what's inside? Oh, is that a cookie? Where did you get that? Where did you get? Wow, is that for me? Is that for Mama? Oh wow, danke schön. Okay. Oh, Papa don't like that. I think he's going to like that. Okay. Okay. And then you can show that to Papa later. Okay. Inaantay ko yung asawa ko na dumating dahil kinuha pa niya yung namin, yung aming Christmas tree, real Christmas tree. At gawa ko ng vlog, bagong vlog. Smoky. Christmas is coming, guys. Wishing you all a very merry and Christmas. Miss my family in the Philippines. Miss ko yung yung mga nangangaroling. Dito kasi walang hindi uso dito yung mga nangangaroling bahay-bahay.
Mama, for you.
Oh, thank you. Is this yummy?
Yes.
It's really yummy.
Yummy too.
Kain pa tayo cookies. Kapal ng fogs. Thank you na yung sasakyan ng asawa ko. Miss ko na talagang mag-celebrate ng Pasko sa Pilipinas. Kasi 3 Pasko na ako na dito nagse-celebrate. Nagbakasyon kami ng Pinas nung last January this year. Pero after na yun ng New Year. Nagstay kami ng 1 month doon, tapos bumalik kami dito. So sana magpabakasyon sana kami this year. Sa Pinas sana kami magpapasko, pero dahil nga mayroong pandemic, so hindi natuloy. Hopefully next year okay na lahat. Mas masarap talaga magbakasyon sa Pilipinas. I mean, magpasko sa Pilipinas. Ayan, nag-ano na ako, nagpo-frozen na yung mga damo. So, thank you for watching.